Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create farm account on Rise of Kingdoms. Creating a farm account in Rise of Kingdoms is an effective way to gather extra resources and support on your main account's progression. A farm account is a secondary character focused on collecting materials and sending them to your primary city. To set one up, open your profile in the top left corner, go to Settings, and select the Characters option. Choose Create New Character and pick the same kingdom as your main account to make resources transfers and alliance coordination easier. After creating the character, quickly complete the tutorial and focus mainly on upgrading resources production instead of military strength. You can also place the farm account in the same alliance for added protection and bonuses. Prioritize gathering food and wood early, then expand into stone and gold as you progress, keeping the farm account close to your main city for safe and efficient resource support. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.